Hello, my name is Lisa Spillane, and this is my book, 6 Healing Sounds with Lisa and Ted, Qigong for Children. The 6 healing sounds and inner smile exercises shown in this book were developed thousands of years ago in China to help people to get rid of toxic, negative emotions from their bodies. They help the body to heal itself through a combination of smiling, deep breathing, sound vibrations, gentle movements, and positive thinking. Lisa and Ted will show you how to do the exercises and how they make them feel and act better in all kinds of situations. But so you know what the healing sounds should sound like, I'll go through them with you now. The first one Lisa does is the heart sound. The next one Ted does for his stomach, and it sounds like The third sound in the book is the sound for the lungs. And after that is the kidney sound. Chew. The next one is for the liver, and it sounds like you're telling someone to be quiet. Shh. And the last sound helps Ted to go to sleep, and it sounds like Thanks for watching!